We specialize in the professional production and sale of truck drag link assemblies. Our extensive range includes both Japanese and European products, ensuring top-notch quality and customer satisfaction. Trust in our brand, JOKA Auto Parts, for reliable and guaranteed products. Suitable for MAN TGA TGX TGS models, our MAN drag link assembly measures 936 mm in size and is made of high-quality materials such as 45#Q235/40CR. With a weight of 10.7 kg, a pipe diameter of 52 mm, length of 993 mm, and thread size of M30x1.5 mm, our product is ISO 9001:2015 certified and comes with a 12-month warranty. Minimum order quantity is 50 PCS. Payment can be made via T/T.